Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be third video of our audio processing series. I have already uploaded two videos. You can find those two videos on my channel. So in first video I have give the introduction of this particular series, and in second video I have explained how we can load audio file in Python. So in this particular video we're gonna see how we can visualize audio with the help of Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in last video we have wrote this particular code. If you have not followed the video, please watch this particular video, how to load audio in Python, because this whole series gonna be the continuation of all the videos. So we have came across this particular line where we are loading the audio with the help of Librosa library, and we are storing two parameters. The first parameter is y. So this y parameter contains the actual audio wavelength data, and this sr attribute, it tells you how many data points are present in y for each second of the audio. So suppose we can take one example. So this particular audio file is sampled at 14,100 hertz, which is a common for CDs. Then its SR will be 44,100. So the Y array will contain 44,1100 floating point numbers for each second of the audio. So this is how we can represent our audio, which we have already loaded. And after loading the audio, we are saving particular attributes in these two variables. Okay, so let's move further. Let's plot a graph for this particular audio sample. Okay, for that you will need one library which we commonly use to plot graphs in Python, which is Matplotlib. Let's import matplotlib dot pyplot. You're gonna use pyplot function as plt. Okay, so we're gonna import matplotlib pyplot function. So let's execute our code. So it is successfully executed. We have imported the required library. Now let's start writing the code. So first I will give one comment. So here we will plot the waveform. Okay, so let's start it. So first we have to define size of our plot. Okay, so for that we'll use plt, because already we defined matplotlib pyplot as a plt. We have to write plt dot figure, so it will create our figure. So, and in that function we have to give two parameters. For fixed size is equal to, we can give 14:5 ratio for our graph. Once we define the fixed size, we can use Librosa dot display dot waveshow, and in this particular function we will pass our two parameters. First is y and second is sr is equal to sr. So we have wrote that. Now we're gonna give labels to our graph. First we will give the x label, plt dot x label. So our x label will be time in seconds. So this will be our x label. Let's give y label, plt dot y label. So our y label gonna be amplitude, and the title of the graph, so plt dot title. So here we're gonna give audio waveform. You can give any title. I'm giving audio waveform. And to show this particular graph on the screen, you have to use plt dot show function. So it will show your graph on your screen. So my code is ready. Once I hit the done button, it will show me visualization of this particular audio sample. Okay, let's try. So here you can see we got our graph. This is a visualization of this particular audio. So this particular audio contains hello word. So I'm saying hello. So when I'm saying H, I'm giving broad pressure on LL, and again O is going silent form. That's why this particular audio form is like that. So if you wanna make visualization of any of your sound, you can use this particular code. That's it all from this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you haven't watched my early videos, then please see, and you can save this playlist for further videos. We're gonna contain all these topics in my audio processing series. So that's it from this video. We will meet in next video. In next video we will see how we can remove noise from an audio. So for that, keep watching. Thank you.